Hello everyone. Today in this session we are going to read about plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Normally we talk about three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas, about which we have studied in detail in our previous videos. Today in this session I am going to tell you about plasma, which is the fourth state of matter. You will be surprised to know that plasma is the most common state of matter in the whole universe. Now, I will tell you that plasma can be prepared in lab by heating a gas to many thousand degrees. Let me explain. When we heat a solid, it changes into liquid, and when we heat a liquid, it changes to a gas. But when a gas is heated further in a closed container at a very high temperature, then extremely high temperature causes such vigorous collision between its atoms that the electrons are ripped free, yielding positively charged ions. Plasma state consists of super energetic and super excited atoms in the form of ionized gases. Because plasma is a collection of positively charged ions and negatively charged electrons, it interact with electric and magnetic fields. Therefore, electric and magnetic fields can be used to build invisible containers for plasma. Plasma occurs naturally in the stars. 99% of the universe is in the plasma state. The sun and the other stars glow because of the presence of plasma in them. I will tell you some other examples of plasma. They are glowing parts of plasma TV, the neon sign, exhaust of big rockets or comets, the solar wind, lightning bulbs, fluorescent tubes and bulbs. The gas which is present inside the tubes and bulbs are inert gas. When electricity is passed through them, the gas gets ionized and charged. The charging up creates a glowing plasma inside the tube or bulb, and this produces a characteristic color depending on the nature of the gas. Lightning in nature and core of the stars also consists of plasma. Now comes the fifth state of matter, that is BEC, Bose-Einstein condensate. What is BEC and why its creation is a big achievement? In 1920, Indian physicist Satyendranath Bose has predicted for a fifth state of matter, and then building on his calculations, Albert Einstein collaborated his ideas and predicted a new state of matter which is called Bose-Einstein condensate. In 1995, Eric A. Cornell, Wolfgang Kettle and Carl Wieman produced the first condensate using a gas of rubidium atoms. They were awarded Nobel Prize for Physics in 2001 for their work. BEC can be created by cooling the atoms to the temperature very near to absolute zero. Gases of low density, when cooled to absolute zero, that is minus 273.15 degrees centigrade, all the atoms will be collapse, that is they all will be condensate into the lowest quantum state. The Bose-Einstein condensate are superfluid and superconductive in nature. The BEC experiments will help in general relativity, dark energy, gravitational waves, spacecraft navigation, study of quantum mechanics on a macroscopic level, prospecting for subsurface minerals on moons and other planetary bodies. So, we can conclude that plasma is a super hot and super excited atoms, whereas Bose-Einstein condensate is super cool and super unexcited atoms. I hope now the concept of plasma and BEC is clear to you all. Thanks for watching.